Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Let's see how we can create this. This is an easy one and it's really easy to create. Let's see how we can create this. Okay, at first we need to insert a blank slide. In the blank slide, we need two things. We need two rectangle that we are going to create. Let's go by this. Create from the 0 to here. Okay, it's good. Now, after creating, press both of them and by control, reduce their size by pressing shift, reduce their size. Okay. Let's reduce their size. Press control, press shift. After selecting both of them, press shift and reduce both sides. We have a problem. For solving that, what we should do, we at first increase these two things in the size, this one and this one. See, they are increased in size, but not in the way we want. Let's increase them in size, this one and this one. After that, we select both of them and press Ctrl and Shift and try to reduce them in size that we want. Okay, this much is good. Then we copy these icons that we inserted from the icons here to this place, and then we are going to change these two things colors to some bright colors like this. I like it. Now I need to reduce their size a little more. Okay, it's good. Now align the center. Okay, now we just copy that slide, but before that we need to paste this texture and text to the background. For that, we just simply select the text and the picture and copy that and send it to back. Send to back. Send to back. And just simply reduce the font size to 1. To 1. It's good. 1. And now everything is okay, but I don't like this color. I'm going to use something more like this color. Okay, now we copy that and we just simply press Ctrl and reduce their size to this much. And after reducing their size, I increase this size to 28, 22. Okay, and then bring this two thing out, bring this thing up and send this thing to back. Okay, everything is ready. Now set the transition to morph. You see, it's a great effect. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe, and you can find many of these videos in my channel playlist. Have a nice time.